Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hey man, today is my birthday weekend. It's a bright, sunny, 56 degree day out here, man. It's a beautiful day. I'm gonna go and slide in the baby curves. I'm gonna take you with me. Hey man, let's do it. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another SlidingonTwoz video with your boy Clutch C. Hey man, it's just such a beautiful day today. It's my birthday weekend and we just gonna slide, man. I see it got a lot of other bikers out there. Everybody sliding on this beautiful weekend. I'm in a little town called Brenham, Texas. About 20 miles out of Houston. As you can see, it's a beautiful, like 56 degrees, a little windy, beautiful Saturday morning. And we sliding, baby, look at that. Oh, they out here. They are out here today. Yes, sir, they're out here today. He's sliding, baby. They out here, baby, they out here.
Hey, you're crazy, man! You're crazy! You drive with that and you pass on the auto lane! Damn!
What's up, fellas? How y'all doing, man?
Hey, how you doing, man?
All right. What's up, guys?
Hey, how's it going, man?
How's it going? The black bike, man, you flew by me so fast, man. I thought a jet was playing past me.
No,
I like zoom.
I'm just a big boy. There's a lot of wind behind me.
Man, I know I was hitting 70 in the curves, and you just like, shoo.
And in the curve, well, the straightaway I did like 140.
About dang 140.
But that's about as fast as this bike goes. He has a GX10, and the other guy he has this R1.
Right.
They go way faster.
Chill riding.
You chill.
He's chill riding.
I'm an old guy, man, so I just cruise, man. I just take it easy.
Cruising also, man. I'm tired already.
Really?
We've been here for 1 hour and he's tired.
Wow. Where y'all coming from?
I just live over by the airport.
Okay.
I came from Bel Air, the southwest side.
Yeah.
Bel Air. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I'm just right here in Cali.
Sugarland.
Sugarland.
Sugarland. Okay. Yeah, y'all came a ways.
Yeah, we come here like once every week or two.
Yeah, yeah, I do too. I'm usually with the other guys, but
Oh yeah.
I didn't see him this morning, so I just
Took off.
You don't call him?
huh?
You don't call it?
That way, man. They usually what happens is we meet at a certain place at a certain time. If they ain't there,
Just take off.
I'm rolling.
Yeah.
You know, I waited 30 minutes. I'm like,
And
okay.
it started to get hot too.
Right.
Man, it's sweating in this
I say,
thing.
well, I'll catch him on the way back.
We're waiting for him for an hour, man.
Oh, come on,
Yeah,
man.
because his little quick shifter broke off.
Ah.
Picture with his gear.
On the
He's just hanging off.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Yeah, so what is this?
This is a
The Yamaha.
T10. It's the R1, but standard, so I sit straight up.
Okay, yeah.
Same motor. It's tuned a little different. It's torquey down low.
You gotta start freaking braking.
Yeah.
I mean, if we start the bike, they sound exactly the same.
Yeah, my son has the Ninja, I think it's a 636, is it?
Oh yeah, the ZX6. Yeah.
That's a good bike.
And that's what he rides. So that's what started me to ride, you know,
Oh, really?
just kind of hang out with him a little bit.
Those are not comfortable though. You're like this.
Right.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
They're not very comfortable.
I mean-
probably the least comfortable. You're sitting on there like with your legs back, basically.
When we do longer trips, he ride his Gold Wing.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
But other than that,
Goldwing's not even a bike. That's a fucking car, man.
yeah, that's
Cadillac.
Cadillac, baby, yeah. So,
Shit, I'm hot, man.
Yeah, I know.
It's time to tell Jackie to go.
Yeah, good.
all right, man, nice meeting ya.
Nice meeting you too, man. Right there. Jackie, my tits are sweating. Let's go.
What's up, my guy? What's happening with you?
Alright,
Yeah, nice bike, man.
I appreciate it.
Got it, baby.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
yeah, I just out for the ride too, the beautiful day.
Yeah, man, just it's my birthday weekend. I said, you know what?
Happy birthday.
Appreciate it. I said, you know what? Hey, it's too beautiful, man.
It is.
I'm finna ride,
I
man.
thought it was gonna be a little bit more windy and you know.
Hey, nice meeting you, man.
Yeah, yes sir. Nice meeting you, boss.
Hey, y'all be safe, man. Hey, what's up, guys? I finally made it home. It was a great ride. Hey, man, I want to thank you for sliding with me on my birthday weekend. Hey, make sure you keep Twoz on the ground, and we'll see you in the next one. Later.